Start the tile layout from the most visible wall or entry so full tiles appear where eyes land first. Measure and dry lay before you mix any adhesive so you can adjust spacing to avoid narrow cut pieces in focal areas. Use a straight edge and chalk line to snap reference lines that are parallel to your chosen focal wall or entry and temporarily set a row of full tiles along that line to check symmetry. If a cut tile would fall at a doorway or main walkway, shift your reference line half a tile toward the less visible side to move the cut into a cabinet run or under an appliance. When working with rectangular or staggered patterns, mock up 2 or 3 rows to confirm the pattern flow and to catch any half-tile repeats that might land in visible zones. Allow for grout joint width when calculating tile counts and spacing so you do not end up with an unexpectedly narrow sliver against a wall. Keep a record of your final layout lines and take photographs so you can replicate the same alignment if multiple rooms or transitions are involved. Common mistakes are starting from the wrong wall, which can leave several cut edges facing the main view. Correct this by always choosing the most visible wall or the main entry as your starting reference and confirm with a dry layout. Another issue is ignoring grout width in measurements, which causes misaligned pattern repeats. Solve this by measuring and marking tile plus grout on a mock-up and recounting tiles across several runs. A third frequent problem is failing to check sightlines at multiple viewing heights, leading to a layout that looks balanced from one spot but not from the kitchen entrance. Walk back to typical standing positions and doorways while dry laying and adjust your reference lines until full tiles dominate those views. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors while helping contractors find work through our platform. We also host an active discussion community where users share layout photos, tips, and real-world lessons so everyone can make better aesthetic choices for projects.